Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Taurus. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Taurus, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have Temperance in reverse, 10 of spheres in reverse, and 9 of stars in reverse. So, in your situation, guys, Taurus, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You have a lot of things going on in your life today, guys, in your work situation, maybe there are a lot of decisions to make, and your vision is different and the people you work with, their vision is different. So some clash of ideas or clash of choices are going to take you towards some kind of an imbalance, and you are impatient, frustrated, worried. You don't know where things will go today, guys. And if you can work with people, if you are able to work together with better communication, things are going to turn around, guys. Your aggressive attitude or your aggressive responses or your frustrations are not going to help you today, Taurus. So you need to hold on, be patient if you want to resolve your situation today, guys. And in your work or in your relationship, guys, you need to be patient, Taurus. You need to talk freely, say what is in your mind to this person you love. Only then you are going to clear all the doubts and confusions. And maybe for some of you, there are a lot of gossips about you. So this person believes those gossips, and they are what to say, asking you questions about it. So if you want to have a clear communication, a true bonding between this person and yourself, you have to communicate clearly what happened and what is the reason for these gossips, and clear all the doubts and suspicion they have towards you or about this love. And you may feel emotional because you feel that this person does not trust you, and you may feel sad because of that. You trust this person, you love them, but they do not reciprocate the same kind of uh, feelings towards you. So that may cause a lot of frustrations in you. But if you can clear all their doubts, things are going to be different for you, guys. So this person is doubting you, they have a lot of confusions, and they are quite suspicious about your activities or about you. So you need to clear all that if you want what to say, happiness in your life today, guys. So, and they may feel really confused, stuck, don't know what to do, or you may feel this way. But clear communication is the answer for your troubles, guys, Taurus. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. We have two cards here, so you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So this is your first card and this is your second card, guys, and I will start with the first card. So let's close our eyes for a few seconds, meditate, and I will start the reading with the first card, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with this card. Let's see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, what is the card? It is Gretel. So, with this card, guys, the energy is that in your life, in your past, maybe for some of you, you have gone through a lot of traumatic situations. Maybe the elders in your family, they have let you down, they were not quite responsible, and their attitude has affected your life. And whatever you have faced, your challenges, or whatever the traumatic situations you have faced in your life in your childhood years, it has simply made you much more stronger and courageous. And your story is an inspiration. You need not feel shy or you need not fear. You are someone who's very courageous and strong under difficult circumstances, and you are someone who helps others, who help people, and you are a true defender of friends and family. So it is time you inspire the younger generation with your stories, with your ideas, or how to deal with the problems they are facing right now in their life. And you need to you work well as a team, guys, maybe in your work or in your life, in your family. You are a great person to be with. You have beautiful communication skills. You are quick thinking, protective, and you are someone who is supportive and very resourceful. So the people around you, they find you a very good person to be with, and your abilities and strategies, you can talk about it to the younger generation, whomever you are in contact with today, guys, because your stories are simply going to inspire them today in their life, and your strength and courage. So you are moving on, you have moved on from your past. Maybe something happened, maybe if it is something to do with your relationship, you have moved on from a traumatic relationship and you have come out as a strong person. And this courage is going to inspire the person you meet now, and they will feel, maybe you will feel that true connection and communication with this person, guys. You need not worry. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have round and round. So again, a beautiful card here. So this just means that in your situation today, guys, you just feel that you have come back to that same spot again. And how did you get here? You are simply wondering how things are going in the same way again now, and how to deal with this present situation. So you need to understand that you are here in this particular situation with a particular type of a person, because it is the spirit's plan for your evolution, guys. That is the reason you have circled back to this accustomed spot in your life today. So this time around, you will know what you need to do differently, maybe respond differently now or behave differently, because you know from your past experience what was your response and what was that experience and what you have learned from it. So you need to let go of that blame game, remain curious now to learn any new changes or any new experiences that are coming today, and you need to respond differently, so that way you will not come back to the same spot again in your life, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So maybe in your relationship you are having similar problems like the past, maybe like the past experiences. So if you respond differently, you are going to break this cycle today, guys. So that is the energy. So you will be able to find a better person who will be with whom you will be able to connect better and have a beautiful relationship. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. with the two cards we saw. Such a beautiful reading. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like the reading. If you like, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.